people, I got a haircut 2 days ago. Choir is cool, you know. I just sang in one a little bit ago, and I'm in a spinny mood, I guess. Singing with such a big group, it sounds so cool. Yeah, I don't really know what I'm doing, sitting here and explaining that to you. Just like, I don't know, like, I like it, okay? I recommend that everyone, when you find something that you like, you should do it. I don't know. This is a really not well thought out video because I've been busy, and I need to make these videos just a little bit more of a priority, just because I want to be creative with them and not just like sit here and talk. And yeah, well, like, I want to sit here and talk, but I want it to be entertaining. Like, I want to be able to make little skits and maybe have friends in them or something. I think that would be cool. But then I also have to come up with ideas and also simultaneously do school, and yeah. But for now, I do have a little bit of music that I came up with on the spot because I was like, oh no, I have to make a video, and then suddenly my little music, I literally, I don't know how I do it. I just write songs in minutes. I don't know. Whatever, just listen to my song. The music that you are about to witness was made up on the spot, and it has nothing to do with that. Yeah. There's the heart. It's just a video, okay? It doesn't actually have to do the music doesn't really have to do with the video, but it who cares? Who cares anyway? What am I doing sitting here and like, what is this? Enjoy the next upcoming month, in which I will probably not post until the very last minute again. Yay. Smile. This is very bad, awkward smile. Yeah. The end. Fin. Whatever. Let me have that play it after.